Hi, so my name's Andrew Skinner. I'm a rider at FoundationBMX shop and crew, and this is my bike check. We'll start from the top, work our way down. As you can see, I got the Colt Chase the Heart grips. Cut the flanges off them, but they're nice. On them, I've got the new Sunday Mark Burnett signature bars. I've been running these for about 2 months now. They're the first bars I haven't had to cut down because they're just perfect as they are standard, so definitely recommend these bars. I've got the Fit Bike Code BF stem. I think that's got to be the oldest part on my bike, but it's still going strong. Linking them together is the Odyssey headset to keep it smooth. And there I've got the Odyssey R25 forks. They got a steeper angle on them, so it's just a lot easier to get on the front wheel, which, you know, I like to spend a bit of time on the front wheel, so just makes riding a little bit easier. Okay, so on the front I've got a G-Sport ribcage. That's laced to a G-Sport Simeon hub with twin Odyssey guards. They're laced on with Odyssey spokes and G-Sport hex nipples. I like the nipples because I like nipples. Yeah, so onto the drivetrain. I've got the new Odyssey Calibur Cranks. They're in the 165 version, which is, I haven't had cranks this short before, but I'm actually preferring it. To be fair, like they did some decent cranks. I haven't had a set of cranks this clean. They also came with a free bottom bracket, which is pretty decent, to be fair. I've got Odyssey JC PC pedals. Obviously filed down the pins a bit, but they're solid, to be fair. I've got the Sunday Knox 25 tooth Sprocket with the built-in bash guard, and again, that's a beast. From there I've got the Shadow Interlock V2 chain. This is the second one I've had, so considering the time I've been riding, I've only ever needed 2 Shadow chains. On the back we've got a G-Sport ribcage again, laced onto a Federal V3 free coaster. I've got the United Squad hub guard protecting the non-drive side. Again, laced with Odyssey spokes and the G-Sport hex nipples. I like nipples. And then I'm rolling on the Sunday Street Sweeper tyre, which is Jake Seeley's signature. And the good thing I like about these tyres is just, like, at the same time, you can do tyre slides, you can do all the squeaks, you know, everyone loves the squeaks, but they just maintain grip whenever you need it, so can't fault them, to be honest. I mean, I do a lot of rail rides and I don't slide out of them, so they're decent tyres, to be fair. Like, I've got Wrexham air in my inner tubes. It's high quality air. It's pumped out of me flat. Seat. I've currently got a Simone Baracco signature shadow seat. Got a few farts hidden away in the seat as well. You sit on there, it might creep out. That's held on with a Odyssey tripod post. And then to build it all together, it's onto the Aaron Ross signature Moto Ross Sunday frame, which I've had for about 2 years now, and it's solid, to be fair. It's got a nice short back end, which is what I like. And apart from that, oh yeah, and pegs, I've got Animal Butcher's short. Recently got fresh sleeves on there, so they're looking decent. As you can see, I just like to ride the bike really short, really tall. It's just the way I like to ride it. But I think that's it. It's good parts, solid to run, gets the job done.